Hi guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if a to the power 5 plus 1 over a to the power 5 is equal to square root of 3, then find the value of a to the power 20 plus 1 over a to the power 20. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of this algebraic expression from this equation. So student, our given equation is a to the power 5 plus 1 over a to the power 5 is equal to square root of 3. So now we can write from this equation a to the power 5 plus 1 over a to the power 5 whole to the power 2 is equal to square root of 3 whole to the power 2. So student, after taking square on both sides, then you get this type of terms on both sides. After that, to simplify the left hand side of this equation, we have to apply the formula a plus b whole to the power 2 is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So student, according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side a to the power 5 whole to the power 2 plus 2 times a to the power 5 times 1 over a to the power 5 plus 1 over a to the power 5 whole to the power 2 is equal to, so student, square root of 3 whole to the power 2, that is 3. So on the right hand side we can write 3. So student, to simplify the first term on left hand side of this equation, we have to apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So student, according to this formula, we can write from the first term a to the power 5 times 2, that is 10, plus in the place of second term we can cancel a to the power 5 from numerator and denominator. So in the place of second term we can write in here 2, plus similarly to simplify the third term of this equation we have to apply this formula. So according to this formula we can write in here 1 over a to the power 10 is equal to 3. So student, after that we have to transpose plus 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So on the left hand side we get a to the power 10 plus 1 over a to the power 10 is equal to 3 minus 2. So the value of a to the power 10 plus 1 over a to the power 10 will be 1. So student, we can write from this algebraic expression a to the power 2 times 10. So in the place of 20 we can write 2 times 10 plus 1 over, similarly we can write in here a to the power 2 times 10. So student, according to this formula we can write from this algebraic expression a to the power 10 whole to the power 2 plus 1 over a to the power 10 whole to the power 2. So student, according to this formula we can write from this algebraic expression a to the power 10 plus 1 over a to the power 10 whole to the power 2 minus 2 times a to the power 10 times 1 over a to the power 10. Then the value of a to the power 10 plus 1 over a to the power 10 is 1. So we can write in here 1 to the power 2 minus, in the place of second term we can cancel a to the power 10 from numerator and denominator. So we get minus 2. So student, 1 square, that is 1, minus, again we have to write 2. So student, If you subtract 2 from 1, then you get minus 1. So student, our answer is minus 1. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.